do, we're gonna make some bird feeders, and all you will need is some simple household items and some bird seeds. I found these little seeds at a grocery store, and they were only like 99 cents. You would need some peanut butter, a tissue or a paper towel roll, maybe an orange, some ribbon, scissors, and some contact paper. Now the reason why I have the orange is because a lot of people have nut allergies. So you wouldn't, if you have a peanut allergy or something like that, you wouldn't want to use peanut butter to create this bird feed. So what you could do is you can get an orange and cut it in half, and you would take out the insides and make it hollow. And that way you can pour the seeds inside the orange. Or another option you could use is contact paper. You can get a roll of contact paper and roll it around the roll, the tissue roll or the paper towel roll, and the sticky part will actually pick up the seeds as well. Another option you could use could be a lint roller. You can take the lint roller and you roll it in the seeds, and you can hang a ribbon from it. I don't have a lint roller today with me, but you can hang the ribbon from the lint roller and hang it up as a bird feeder. Okay, so in order to create a bird feeder, all you would need are those simple materials that I just mentioned. And what you would do is you can actually get the baby or you or someone, you would get the peanut butter, and you will have them to spread that peanut butter on top on that roll like this. All right, and you can get the babies to if you want them to make a mess or whatever, it's good for them to learn and feel the different texture of things they learn through sensory. So to feel that texture of the peanut butter, to actually taste the peanut butter, it's a learning experience. So once you put the peanut butter on the roll, you will get your bird seeds, and you can place it on a plate or something, like a plate or anything that you may have, or a little flat surface, and let them roll that roll on into the seeds, just like that. All right, so with the orange thing, it's really simple. All you would do is just, once you got a hollow orange peel, you would just pour the seeds inside the orange peel. So this is one that these are two that me and Zion created yesterday. So I hope you guys enjoy this and have a great day. We're gonna hang these on the tree. So I'll show you. Let me see. Get up. So, and once you've created them, maybe it'll work right here. But you just want to hang it on a tree limb or something like that. And these seeds actually attract different types of birds. I know cardinals are one of them. Cardinals, chickadees, finches, different types of birds. So, all right. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.